Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you quick demonstration how to send private video using YouTube channel. You can upload some private video and generate one link and send using your private messenger like Signal application, Sandesh application or WhatsApp application. You can drop this particular link and someone are accessing this video because of sometimes you create a video and this video length become a high like 300 MB, 400 MB or 1 GB and you can't able to share such kind of video using your social networking. So you upload this video in YouTube, generate one link and then send this link someone. So how to deal with this particular problem? So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So look at this. This is my new YouTube channel like Sangram. You can subscribe this channel also. So suppose for example, firstly I upload one video here. So just like you create already one videos for example like this and you upload now this video. Wait couple of seconds for the uploading process here and then next, and everything is depend here. You just here look at this here visibility, save or publish, private, unlisted, public. So you just simply click here unlisted. Anyone with this video link can watch your video using this particular link. You just copy this link and send someone. That point of view he or she access your video, otherwise no one accessing this video. Just simply select this unlisted, focus on that point of view unlisted. I copy this link. So now this video is saved here. Again I copy this link. After finish the uploading this video showing like that way, this video name is hello. I'm not adding any kind of description, so this video visibility is unlisted. So simply you click on that particular video and copy this link and you just send someone. So someone accessing this link and play any types of web browser or any types of smartphone devices. You just simply using your Signal application, you drop this link here and just send the particular group or particular contact wherever you want, share this particular video content, and just simply the people are clicking on that particular link. So this video are displaying the particular portion but no one are visible this video in the particular YouTube channel. You just need to send this particular link and then people are accessing your video. It's very simple and that one is very helpful tips and tricks. You can share someone private video uploading your YouTube channel unlisted and generate this link and share someone. They are accessing this private video. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.